In the evolving world of interior design, one element remains timeless, adaptable, and deeply rooted in the natural world: wood. Wood is more than just a building material. Wood has transcended its functional origins to become a centerpiece in art and decor. Walls, often underutilized canvases in our homes, are now being dramatically transformed with the rich textures and organic elegance of natural wood wall art. From rustic to modern, geometric to freeform, minimal to intricate, woodcraft ideas for walls have evolved into a dynamic genre of artistic expression that bridges nature with personal style. Whether you're working with reclaimed wood, fresh-cut planks, or intricately carved panels, the possibilities are endless. Hello dear friends, welcome back to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today we will show you the collection of woodcraft ideas that transform your walls with stunning natural wood wall art. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. One of the most striking ways to transform a space is by using geometric wooden wall panels. These designs play on symmetry, repetition, and contrast, using clean lines and intentional patterns that evoke both modern sophistication and natural warmth. Triangles, hexagons, and interlocking shapes made from various wood stains or species can add visual interest and depth. These pieces can be installed as full wall features or as smaller accent panels that act like large-scale artwork. For a more naturalistic approach, live edge wood art celebrates the organic curves and textures of wood in its most raw and unprocessed form. By preserving the irregular outer edges of slabs, artists can highlight the natural beauty of the grain and form, creating unique pieces that resonate with the earthy origins of the material. Live edge art can be used to frame mirrors, create shelving units, or simply hang as sculptural pieces, letting the asymmetry of nature add character to the wall. Another compelling trend in natural wood wall art is the use of reclaimed or upcycled wood. Old barn wood, shipping pallets, or discarded furniture can find new life when arranged into creative mosaics, layered panels, or rustic signage. These pieces not only bring a sense of sustainability and eco-consciousness into the home, but also carry stories and textures that new materials often lack. The aged patina, nail holes, and weathered edges contribute to a rich visual tapestry, making each creation entirely unique. For those who enjoy DIY projects, wood burning, pyrography, art provides an accessible and expressive medium. Artists use heated tools to burn designs directly into wood surfaces, crafting intricate illustrations, patterns, or quotes. This technique allows for detailed customization and can range from simple monograms to elaborate landscapes etched onto wooden canvases or plaques. Combining pyrography with watercolor or acrylic accents adds another dimension, blending earthy tones with splashes of color. Layered wood art, often inspired by topography and natural landscapes, has also gained popularity. Artists cut multiple layers of wood into contoured shapes, then stack and glue them to create three-dimensional relief maps or abstract scenes. These multi-depth designs invite viewers to engage with the artwork visually and tactilely, making them ideal for focal walls in living rooms, bedrooms, or entryways. If you're drawn to a more cultural or historical aesthetic, consider carved wooden panels. These can be inspired by traditional motifs from around the world: Moroccan lattices, Balinese patterns, Celtic knots, or Native American symbols. Hand-carved or laser-cut, wood art brings a rich sense of craftsmanship to any space and often tells a deeper story. These intricate designs can be left in natural wood tones or painted in white or metallic finishes for a more contemporary twist. Wall-mounted wooden sculptures offer a bold and artistic approach to wall decor. Abstract or figurative, these pieces range from minimalist installations made of driftwood or branches to more complex assemblages of turned and joined wood pieces. Combining sculptural wood forms with integrated lighting, like LED backlighting or hidden sconces, can amplify their dramatic impact. If your space calls for a subtle, minimalist vibe, then Scandinavian-style wood art might be the perfect solution. These often feature clean lines, neutral tones, and simple forms, emphasizing craftsmanship and functionality. Think of a wall-mounted grid of smooth oak discs, floating pine shelves arranged in symmetry, or framed panels made of light birch slats. Such pieces effortlessly blend into modern interiors while still introducing natural warmth and texture. In contrast, modern abstract wood art uses bold shapes, unexpected angles, and a mix of materials like metal, resin, or glass to create contemporary compositions. Artists often play with negative space, arranging wood elements in ways that encourage exploration and curiosity. Mixing reclaimed wood with polished surfaces or bright paint splashes produces a compelling juxtaposition of old and new. Another creative avenue is functional wooden wall art, pieces that not only beautify, but also serve a practical purpose. These include hanging organizers, floating wall shelves, key holders, coat racks, or even headboards designed with aesthetic elements. For example, a panel of hexagonal oak tiles might conceal hooks for keys or planters, blending artistry with utility. For those with a love of texture, woven wood art introduces a tactile quality to wall decor. In small spaces, modular wooden tiles or blocks offer a flexible way to add art to walls without overwhelming them. Arranged in grids or random patterns, these elements can be moved, rotated, or swapped out to refresh the look over time. Some are designed with acoustic properties in mind, helping to dampen sound while enhancing aesthetics. Typography and signage carved or constructed from wood continues to charm homeowners and designers alike. From family names and inspirational quotes to geographic coordinates or song lyrics, these pieces personalize a space and create a welcoming environment. They are ideal for entryways, nurseries, kitchens, or gallery walls and can be stained, painted, or even backlit for effect. Combining wood with plants has also become a popular design tactic. Vertical wood slat walls can serve as a backdrop for mounted planters, while wooden wall frames can cradle succulents, air plants, or preserved moss. The integration of greenery brings vitality and freshness to wood's warm tones, making your wall come alive in both a literal and figurative sense. And finally, for those looking to make a truly bold statement, consider full-scale wood feature walls. These installations can take the form of slatted walls, chevron patterns, herringbone designs, or oversized wood tiles. By covering an entire wall with carefully arranged wooden elements, you create a dramatic yet harmonious focal point. Lighting, artwork, or furniture placed in front of these walls can either contrast or complement, depending on the mood you aim to set. As you explore the world of natural wood wall art, remember that one of wood's greatest strengths is its versatility. Whether it's the ruggedness of reclaimed timber, the smoothness of sanded walnut, or the lightness of bleached pine, wood adapts to nearly every aesthetic and room type. It can warm up a sterile space, add structure to a chaotic one, and bring depth to minimalistic designs. Moreover, wood wall art isn't just about beauty, it's also about storytelling. Each piece can reflect your values, your experiences, your love for nature, your cultural heritage, or your artistic inclinations. In this way, wooden wall art becomes not just decor, but a conversation between you and your home, and between your home and your guests. So whether you're curating your space from scratch, looking for a weekend DIY project, or seeking to elevate an uninspired wall, the world of wooden wall craft offers a rich, earthy palette of ideas to explore. Let the grain, the knots, and the scent of wood guide your creative journey, and transform your walls into living, breathing works of art. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.